Hello, this is Rich Merritt with Digital Combustion, and today we're going to show you a short tutorial on adding your simulations and transferring them to your new iPad Player edition of Fire Studio 5 from the PC or Mac version of Fire Studio 5 Instructor version. So it's all pretty simple. We've done it all through iTunes, which you should be familiar with if you have an iPad, although you will have to do a USB direct connection to transfer your simulations from your PC or Mac onto the iPad. So once you have your iPad connected, if you look up in the upper left corner, you can see I have Rich's iPad here, and we click over to the apps section of iTunes, and it's going to show you all the different apps that you have installed on this iPad. Now if you scroll down further on this page, a lot of people haven't noticed this, but there is a file sharing section for all the apps that allow file sharing on your iPad. And right here at the top of the list, we'll click on Fire Studio, because that's what we're going to do, is we're going to add some simulations directly onto our iPad. So all you have to do is simply click the Add button down in the lower right, and that's going to bring up your dialog as far as for your file structure, either on Windows or Mac. And we're going to go ahead and click on a simulation that we want to transfer over. And you can do multiple simulations at once. So I'm going to do this iPad demo sim down here. And remember that when you make a simulation, if you have any custom content, there will be two files. One, a DCS file, which is the simulation file itself, and then an LBR file, which is the actual library that contains any of the custom backgrounds or anything else that you've added to that simulation. So I'm going to click Open down here, and you can see that they've both been added to my Fire Studio 5 documents. The last step, which is very important, you can't forget this, we still have to sync that with our iPad. So I'm going to click the sync button, and you can see up here at the top it's starting to sync, and it's going to sync those files, and that's it. Now they're now living on the iPad as well. Now to get rid of those, if you have simulations, and you can put any number of simulations on there, it's only limited by how much memory you have left on your iPad, but all we have to do is click them again. If we wanted to get rid of these, I just click the delete button on my keyboard. They would be deleted, and then I would sync again to delete them off of the iPad. So that's it. Simple process for moving those simulations back and forth. And I'm also going to post a PDF document with these instructions as well, in case you missed something or want to print it out for future reference. So that's it. Again, it's Rich Merritt with Digital Combustion, and thanks for listening.